Hello children to the maths class. Well, you have learned numbers and you have also learned that how to add or put together different numbers. But do you know that these numbers and addition can actually help you in solving different everyday life problems? For example, you go for shopping. These numbers and addition helps you to find out what amount of money do you need to pay to shopkeeper. In fact, it is very interesting how you can use them at all times to solve not just yours but others' problems as well and work like a team. The words we use for addition are add, addition, plus, sum. All together, total. Many words for addition. So let's see how we can solve our word sums. Children, in this exercise of addition stories, we will do addition using the concept of vertical addition. Now, the most important thing while solving these sums, you have to look for the numbers. And what we will do in each problem? We will encircle the numbers. 3 marbles in one hand, 5 marbles in the other hand. Now we have to see numbers. You can see you have 3 and 5. Let us encircle these two numbers. Make a circle around 3 and then make a circle around 5. Now you have got these two numbers. Write it down, 3 and 5. Okay, now see the word that shows what we have to do. And here we can see the word is all. And all shows addition. That's why we have put here the sign of plus. And we are going to do addition by vertical addition. So 3 plus 5, you can do it by vertical addition. Keep 5 in your mind and open 3 fingers. And then count ahead of 5. That is 6, 7 and 8. So your answer is 8. 8 marbles in all. So that's how you can find out the answers for these questions. Now let's read the first question. 5 whistles on the table, 2 whistles in the hand. You can see this in the picture also. And we have to find out total whistles in all. Now what you will do first? First encircle the numbers in the problem. And in this you can see the numbers are 5 and 2. Encircle them. And now write 5 and 2. Now see the word for doing addition. It's written here all. And all shows we will be doing addition in this question. And so we place the plus sign here. And we will do vertical addition. Now 5 plus 2, you know how to do vertical addition. Keep 5 in your brain and open 2 fingers and count ahead of 5. That is 6 and 7. So your answer is 7. So how many whistles in all? 7 whistles in all. Your answer is 7 whistles in all. So children, the two most important thing, first encircle the numbers and then see the word for doing addition. And that's how you can find out the answer for your addition stories. Now let's see the next question to do addition. Let's read this question. Dia has one doll. Riya has 4 dolls. How many dolls do they have? Now, first thing that you have to do is encircle the numbers in your word problem. And in this word problem, the numbers you can see is 1 and 4. And how many dolls do they have? Many. Many shows plus. So in this question also you need to do addition. Now what you will do? You will write the numbers here in your vertical column, like 1 and 4. You can write it like this. 1, it's written here. 4, it's written here. And many shows addition, so you have put a mark of plus here. Now you can easily add it by the vertical addition. 4 plus 1, it's 5. So your answer is 5 dolls they have. Let's see the next. There are 3 birds in one cage. 6 birds in the other cage. Find the total number of birds in the cages. Now children, first you need to encircle the numbers in your word problem. And here the numbers are 3 and 6. Now write these numbers here. 3 and 6. And then see for the word that shows about addition, and in this word problem here the word is total. The word total shows that you have to do addition. Now is it clear to you? How will you write this word sum in vertical addition form? 3 plus 6 is equal to, can you do it by yourself? Let's do it together. Keep 6 in your brain and count 3 number on your fingers. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Your answer is 9. How many total birds were there? There were 9 birds in the cages. Now let's move to the next word problem. Anjali spins 6 balls on Monday. She spins 2 balls on Tuesday. How many balls does she spin in all? First circle the numbers in your word sum. Now write these numbers here. 6 and 2. Now see for the word that shows you have to do addition. Many. The word many shows you have to do addition. Now 6 plus 2. How much it is? 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8. How many balls does she spin? 8 balls she spin in all. Harsh brings 2 apples. Neha brings 4 apples. How many apples altogether do they bring? What the question says? Harsh is bringing 2 apples and Neha, she is bringing 4 apples. And how many apples there are altogether? So first you have to do encircle the numbers in your word problem. The numbers are 2 and 4. Write these two numbers here, 2 and 4. Now look for the word that shows you have to do addition, all together. And you know all together is used to do addition. Okay? Now you can easily do the sum according to vertical addition. 2 plus 4, it is 6. So your answer is 6. How many apples altogether do they bring? 6 apples altogether they brought. So children, with this we have done the word sums of your course book, page number 33. Children, the best way to understand maths is by practicing. So practice, practice and practice.